how to hard reset your Touch2 C6 motorcycle Bluetooth intercom. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons, really. The first one is, if it's frozen or if it's not connecting to your phone or anything like that, we can kind of force it into a reset. The other thing is, if you're trying to set this up new and you just want to clear everything out, we can go ahead and just do a hard reset on it. What we're going to do this is you're going to need to press and hold this power button for 15 seconds. So it's a pretty long hold, and you'll see what happens after we do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and press and hold. I'm just going to keep on holding. Keep on holding, keep on holding, keep on holding, keep on holding. Keep on holding, keep on holding, keep on holding. And there it goes. Now it popped back on. Now I did that I never let go of the power button, and now it's popped back on. You'll see now it's back into pairing mode. We can go ahead and repair this to our device.